Hello, my name is Mike Cackley, and I'm going to be a professor for EDTC 524, Evaluation of Education Technology. And I am a teacher in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about the class, just to introduce it. I've been teaching for 13 years, and I started off in middle school technology, 6th through 8th, so I had a lot of experience with using technology in the classroom there, and started blogging and tweeting, etc., and got connected into lots of things there. And last 5 years I've spent at the high school level at a project-based learning high school. So PBL, or project-based learning, is going to be a huge influence on this class. I'm also national faculty with Buck Institute Education, and that is an organization that does PBL training workshops around the country and the world. This class, much like PBL, is going to be inquiry-based, so I'm not going to lecture and give you all the answers straight out. It's going to be you doing some research, you doing some thinking, and really this class is about you processing and you deciding for yourself the best ed tech tools that you can use for your classroom. And you're going to want to, once you go to Foxtail, there's a link to the class syllabus, and you're going to want to click and go to the class syllabus. Once you're there, there's another link to Google Classroom, and this class is going to be run out of Google Classroom, not Foxtail. So you're going to want to join that. There is a classroom code on there, so you're going to go to Google Classroom, and the code is HAENJ6, and that's also on that syllabus chart. And also on there you can see all of the assignments and some of the discussion themes. So basically this class is going to compose of the assignments listed there and also weekly discussions that we will do in Google Classroom. So you're going to want to check in there frequently and participate in the discussions, and that's kind of how it's going to roll. Because it's inquiry based, I'm not necessarily going to lead you to every single thing out there. So if any of my instructions or requirements are confusing to you, please feel free to contact me at any time and ask for clarification. No problem with that, and I will help you along the way. I can be found at mcackley, that's MKAECHELE, at georgefox.edu is one great way to contact me, or you can just leave comments in the Google Classroom. So that's a little introduction to the class, and excited to have you join, and hope that you will have the opportunity to figure out what tools work great for you in your classroom for your students.